Hello again, welcome back to the UnlovedJDM channel. So, we need to give you a bit of an update and a bit of an insight into things that are going on behind the scenes at the moment, because over the last few videos we've been trying to hide a few cars from the camera, and it's kind of getting difficult to do because currently there's 4 cars here that I'm trying to keep off camera, and next week another one arrives as well. So we're going to show you 2 of those cars now and keep the others out of the way for a little bit longer, just for the time being. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Let me give you an update on this. Okay, so this purple Subaru, which I'm sure most of you know, this was originally an NA car, it's now turbo converted, now painted purple, as you can see, and wide arch. Last year we did the majority of the work on it, and got it to this point, but its MOT ran out in December, so we've taken it off the road, gone back a few steps, did a little bit of welding underneath and prepared it for another year, because this is an all-season car. We use this in rain, salt, snow, all of it. It's constantly out, as you've seen in the snow videos. So this needed a little bit of a refresh just to get it back to how it should be. It's had all the rear subframe taken out, the rear end welded up where it needed it, as I say, under-sealed.
So, I don't know how it's going to look on camera because the lighting's really weird too, but I'll see what we can get. So this sort of rear chassis leg was rotted away. That's all been redone, and if we go to the other side, same again in there. Obviously we cut this car for the wide arches last year, so it's kind of different, if you like. But same again in there. It's held to be replated right up into the strut tops where Subarus always go, to make it look right, but never mind.
The last thing we've got to do now we've got it through an MOT is just repaint the rear arches. We were taking it off to refit everything, as I say, to make it all like it should be. So this car will be back on the road soon. For those that have asked me where it's gone, it's still here, it ain't going nowhere. Next car. Alright, so this is to be the Lego how we're going to do it. The intention is, this is all the plumbing and boring parts to go somewhere under there, but the intention is to have these not so little beauties, i.e. ×2, hanging out the back of it. Now, come on, it wouldn't be very sporting if I didn't show you how it looks as it is, would it? So, for example, it's gonna be something, hopefully, a little bit like that. And it should sound, hopefully, immense. But it's all stainless steel, so let's see how it goes together, how it sounds, because I think they look brilliant. Let's do this. Alright, so let me just give you a little update on this. Now, as those of you with keen eye have already spotted, it's got its exhaust on it now. So last weekend, we unveiled the raffle on this, and a gentleman called Luke won it. It's now technically his car. So to give you an idea of progress, we had no exhaust on this car, as most of you already know. We have just built, as you'll see here, a full sort of custom exhaust for it, as it had nothing after the cats, as I say. So it's got a full sort of custom X-pipe to the middle, all the way out to these pair of rather nice exhaust that sounds, well, I'll cut to the clip from outside, sounds pretty good. It sounds a bit like this. So just to give you an update, I'm sure you've all seen this Evo when we got it and all the bits and pieces behind it, but I'm just messing with it as we speak. This was never intended to be in this video, but a little bit of bonus content for you. I've just bypassed all the original immobilizer, alarm, whatever it is. I don't think it's original, I think it's aftermarket, but there's a certain way that all these alarms were fitted back in the day. And I've just bypassed all that just to see what happens. Now, we've put battery on it, put power to it. Have a listen to this. It will not fire up, because it's not with the injectors and stuff like that. But, Ben, turn it over. So the working theory is the little noise that you can hear is one of the pulleys that's sticking, but the engine itself I've never had turned over just yet. Now, we've just tried it, just on a whim, and it turns over, so we're on to a good start, because this one is another one that's starting very, very soon. All right, so another one that's on. James.
What?
Let's do this.
What? Who are you?
You. I'm gonna get a mirror in a bit and do that. Like. So, James, another one that's on the to-do list. Now, the keen eye viewers among you will know that this car came January last year, I believe it is. And thanks to a lot of patience from the owner, we've actually been delayed quite a lot through last year. That's a good excuse, but that is the truth. And we are now working on it quite heavily, so there's a lot of welding to do on this thing. It is going to get some paint, as I remember. It's got a whole body kit to go on it that came on it partially, But at the moment, all the interior is out of it. It's all stripped back. As I said, there's a lot going on with it, and we're going to prep that one up and get that one back on the road as well. Try and save another FTO. Obviously, you all saw the one that we did on the silver one last year, but that's that one. So if you do see that one in the background, that's what's going on with this one, and this will have its own clips as we go along and get it on the road as well. So there you go, that's that one. So as I said, there is still cars under wraps, but this is the last one I'm going to show you in this video. So as you can see behind me, there is another Skyline on the to-do list, let's say, and it's not a never to-do list. This isn't going to happen pretty quick. I'm not going to give you a massive amount of info on this one just yet, but as you can see, it's sat there, it's waiting for us, obviously, to make a move on it. It's got pretty much, I believe, everything it needs, and it needs a whole lot of work and paint and stuff like that to get it going. So we're going to get the pleasure of doing this one. It's already got all the glass out, ready for paint, and a whole lot of things to do, as I say. So that's something that is going to come up on the channel, but as I say, I'll give you more insight on that as we get a little bit closer to it. So that is where we're going to leave this massive update. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.